Hello, sheep, gentle animals, widely raised around the world. Sheep farming is one of the key industries that brings high economic profits each year. Are you curious about the process of raising sheep from the farm to the processing plant? This video will teach you how farmers raise and make millions from factory farming of lambs. Sheep farming is not only an important economic industry, but also a complex and important activity in providing food ingredients and creating jobs for many people around the world. The process of raising sheep is carried out through different stages, from young sheep to adult sheep. First is still sheep shearing. Sheep will be sheared using a specialized shearing machine. After harvesting the wool blanket production process begins with sorting and processing the wool. The grading and processing of sheep wool require careful selection according to quality, color, length, and other factors. The fur is then processed to remove dirt and impurities. Advanced cleaning technologies effectively scrub the fleece, leaving only pure natural fibers. Spinning is a delicate art that transforms carded wool into yarn. High-tech spinning machines carefully draw out the fibers, twisting them together to form durable and cohesive yarn. The resulting fibers can be further processed to cater to diverse needs. Next, venture into a modern world, a lamb processing factory. Here, sheep will be received from livestock farms. They're put into permanent sleep states before processing. They're injected with anesthesia, so there is no pain. Next, the sheep are hoisted upside down and transported along the production line. The sections will be cleaned before being cut and divided into smaller pieces of various sizes and shapes to meet customer requirements. Clean and safe packaging helps preserve meat for a long time and ensure it reaches consumers with the best quality. Right now, we're coming to the industrial pork processing plant. When they meet standards for weight and meat quality, the pigs will be harvested and sent to the processing plant. Here, they use very modern and humane fake slaughter technology. And this will be the process of turning a pig into a piece of meat. Many images will be offensive and need to be considered when viewing. They're placed in a cold storage environment for 24 hours before processing. Scale of industrial processing plants, the use of human labor is no longer common. Instead, invest in modern machinery to ensure output productivity and meat quality to serve the export market. Workers use knives to separate each piece of meat and pork bone into smaller parts. This can be an ingredient to make products such as ham, sausage, or bacon. Each pork product is inspected for quality before going to market in the pork processing and packaging area. Workers pack meat by weight. Finally, the packaging is all done by machines. Now we see these chickens being processed through the lines inside the factory. The chickens are removed from the crate, and workers shackle the chickens by their feet upside down onto an overhead conveyor belt. The conveyor belt then carries the chickens to an electrified shallow water tank, where their heads were pulled underwater, they were electrocuted and lost consciousness. These hanging chickens are passed through very hot water and kept inside a poultry plucker. After removing the hair, they're cleaned with water so that there is no hair left on their bodies. The chicken's legs attached to the hook are separated from the body. The worker hangs all the chicken parts with another hook, and the robot hand is attached to pull out all of the chicken's internal organs. After these initial steps, the chicken body is cut into common parts, such as breast, wings, and thighs, through specialized mechanical cutting equipment. These factories use automated equipment and assembly line techniques to process the large volumes of chicken passing through. Throughout the production line, strict hygiene protocols are maintained and processes are carefully monitored to ensure food safety and quality standards are met. This level of automation and optimization allows industrial chicken factories to achieve extremely high processing volumes. How do you feel about this video? And do you think that in the future there will be a lot more machines replacing humans? And how will we face that problem in the future? Please share your comments below. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, you know where to leave them, just below. Okay, I hope to see you again in tomorrow's next great adventure.